Hey guys, it's Rob Meredith here, the Mobile Mentor. Every time I meet a marketer, I take the time to get to know them, find out what's important to them, why they're network marketing. And once in a while, I meet a guy or a lady who shows me that they're really serious about what they're doing and that they care about their people. And today, I'm introducing you to a man by the name of Donner. He works with AIM Global. He's one of the ones that comes to me most often and asks me a lot of questions. He's really seeking knowledge and he's teaching and he's working hard for his team. The reason that I wanted to make this video today is to show you what you should be, what you should be focusing on as a leader, as a team builder in your company. And he's with AIM Global, but it doesn't matter what company you're with. I don't promote any specific companies, you know that. But Donner is a young man who's well on his way to becoming a strong leader in the multi-level marketing industry here in Philippines. So if you're looking for a business home, or if maybe you're somewhere where you're not happy or whatever, and you're looking for leadership, Donner is a great resource, okay? And he's just like me. He's willing to help if you have questions. And if you have a question that he can't answer, you don't have to worry. He's not going to give you some garbage answer. He's going to make sure he has the proper answer before he responds. So, and that's the type of leadership that you're looking for. Not someone that knows everything, but someone that if they don't know the right answer, they'll make sure that they get you the right answer instead of giving you just some nonsense reply that's going to waste your time. So, Donna and I, we have talked. We decided it's best that I'm going to ask the questions in English, and he's going to respond in Tagalog. We've already talked. I know his answers. Okay, so we did rehearse this just a little bit, but that's for you to save time and lack confusion. Okay, so first off, Donna, introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Donor Ipisa and I am 22 years young and I'm doing this business for the past 2 years already. So, ginagawa ko ito para matulungan yung family ko at the same time makatulong din sa team ko at sa maraming tao. So, hindi ko lang to ginagawa para lang sa sarili ko kasi nakikita ko kasi sa industry na to is tulungan talaga. So, hindi mo lang tutulungan yung sarili mo, makakatulong ka pa sa maraming tao. So,
What for you, as a marketer, why did you join AIM Global? Your team. There are a lot of different companies out there, right? You could have chosen any company. What was it about AIM Global that made you decide that you wanted to join?
so number one reason is when I start in global, so naghahanap talaga ako ng additional source of income. So first company ko po yung in global, so ginagawa ko siya, yun yung first na company ko. So merong taong nag-introduce sa akin nga nag-invite sa akin yun yung direct sponsor ko na about sa opportunity. So ako yung tao na open-minded talaga at willing matuto sa mga opportunity and gusto ko rin madagdagan yung kita ko kasi sa previous job ko talagang kinukulang talaga. So hindi talaga sapat sa mga needs na kailangan ko. Kaya nag-decide ako na mag-join. So in my first year, so inaral ko po yung sistema. So inaral ko yung business, yung products. And the same time, nagsimula din akong mag-invite ng mga kaibigan kasi dito talaga tulungan talaga. So, hindi ka pwedeng maging successful na nag-iisa ka lang. Kailangan talaga na may kasama ka. So, importante dito is ang leadership mo na hindi ka lang sa sarili mo nag-focus pati na rin sa mga tao mo. Tulungan mo silang mag-grow up talaga.
You talked about leadership a moment ago. With leadership, you know that I teach a lot of leadership techniques, a lot of things for you to teach your people. Obviously people don't see our conversations that we have on Facebook, but
Yeah.
every time I post a video or a tip or anything, Donner's always coming asking for a deeper explanation. Are you sharing this with your team, the deeper explanations and making sure that they understand?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
doing it.
So see, guys, this is why he's here doing this interview with me right now, because this is a man that he's not just talking the talk, he's walking the walk as well. And that's important. When you're looking for a leader in multi-level marketing, You don't need someone that's going to give you a lot of height. Okay, height does not pay the bills. Okay, it's skills that pay bills, not height. So we get all excited. What's going on in the business presentation. All the clapping and all that. Oh, wonderful! You take that to PLDT and try to pay your bill. Okay, it won't work. Your team, you're growing, right?
Yeah.
So as your team grows, and of course you're always looking for more people. What type of people are you looking for to work with you in your business?
So, sa team ko talaga, so number one na hinahanap ko yung mga tao talagang seryoso, open-minded at saka willing talagang matuto. So, dapat talaga sa business talaga dapat inaaral para tulad din sa employment, bago ka nag-start sa work mo, talagang meron ka pa, nag-undergo ka pa ng training. So, meron pang iba, OGT yung tawag doon. So, number one talaga, kailangan willing matuto, open-minded, saka coachable. Yan talaga, importante.
Absolutely. For me personally, the open-minded and coachable is the biggest thing. If you have a work ethic, if you're willing to work for your future and you're willing to open your mind to new ideas and follow directions, you can be successful in life. That's just the key. So today, I'm having an event here in Mandawi City in Cebu, and Donner's coming, and he's bringing his team as well, coming for the training that I'm going to be giving, live training. So if you're one of those ones, who stepped back and said, "Oh, I know everything," or maybe your upline said, "Blah blah blah, don't go to that training." Okay, whatever. You're an independent business owner. Let me ask you, Donna, why are you here today? Why did you encourage your team to come to this training?
So, nagpunta talaga ako dito kasama ko yung mentor ko, si Rob, kasi ako talaga yung tao talaga naghahanap talaga ng totoo talagang mentor na magtuturo talaga sa'yo. Hindi lang yung baliwan, yung hype, yung ipapower ka lang na ipapower. Tapos wala naman talagang step by step na skills na ituturo sa'yo na applicable na may apply mo kagad sa business mo. So, naghahanap talaga ako ng mga mentor na makatulong sa akin. Hindi lang para sa sarili ko, para din sa team ko na mag-grow up din sila, matuto din sila. Kasi may success ng team ko, success ko rin. So, diyan talaga, kailangan talaga, meron talagang mentor. Para ka rin, nag-discover ka ng sarili mo kung wala kang mentor, wala, hindi mo makikita yung end goal mo, yung sarili mo. Kailangan talaga meron kang direksyon na susundin. At yung mentor mo, yan yung mag-guide sa iyo talaga na ano yung necessary things na kailangan mong gawin.
Right, so this is what a leader should be. I've been doing this for 24 years. He's been doing it for 2. Obviously, I have a lot more experience, but he's doing the right thing. He's looking for people that have the skills that he needs to build his team. That's what you want in a leader. When you're looking for someone, you can't always find someone like me. Right now, I'm not marketing any products in the country, but right here is my skill set. He's learning my skills. So if you're looking to start in network marketing in a legitimate way, in one that's just not all hype, in a professional way, give Donner a hit, say, "Hi, Donner, I'm interested in seeing what you have to offer." You'll be glad that you did. And also, one more thing. He's learning one of the secrets today that I teach my teams and my businesses, that I don't teach on Facebook and I don't teach in my YouTubes, okay? He's going to learn today what Grow Longer is, okay? So Grow Longer is my foundation of success, okay? I would like to share it with you. So if you haven't been to one of my live events and there's one in your area, stop in, say hi. You're going to be happy that you did. Is there anything you'd like to add, Donna? This is your video. Tell your audience why they need to come work with you.
Sa mga naghahanap talaga ng tunay talaga na mag-guide sa kanila or naghahanap ng opportunity na maaring makapag-add on sa kanilang income. So, open po ito sa mga talagang na-mention ko na kanina, yung mga coachable, yung open-minded at willing talaga matuto. So, whatever background nga, or isa ka ngayong employee, isa kang kapos ka ngayon sa income, so naghahanap ka ng mas better talaga para sa future mo, sa family mo. Hindi lang para sa sarili talaga, para talaga sa mga minamahal mo sa buhay. Naghahanap ka ng opportunity na maaring maka-add on sa income mo ngayon. So, pwede mo akong kontakin sa Facebook, So, search mo lang Donor Tisa. So, let's connect, guys. So, wag kayong mahiya.
All right, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch. We took this opportunity. We're together. We said, hey, let's do a quick little interview together. So hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned some new information. Take the information that you have picked up and make a smart decision with it, guys. All right. Grow longer. Bye-bye.